Hi, this is Bebsi, your Budol Mom. So, meron akong bagong gamit ngayon na concealer from Skintific, the Cover Perfect Serum Concealer. So, it has dual applicator. Yung nasa taas is best for small spots kasi manipis yung applicator niya, and yung isa naman is for larger areas under your eyes. So, high coverage na rin siya pero natural finish. For the texture, smooth and madaling i-blend. Also, skincare infused na rin siya that helps tighten and firm the under eye area and boosts hydration kaya na-maintain ang healthy skin. Kaya naman hindi siya cakey once na set na sa skin mo. So, this is in vanilla shade and may iba pang 5 shades na perfect for Asian skin tones. So, for me, this is worth it, kaya i-check out mo na!